Good morning, dear students. So, if you remember last time we see the exterior angle of an triangle. So that time I explained you here in this triangle ABC which are the exterior angles. So what happen when the exterior angle form, that we will learn first. Suppose here this triangle ABC is given. In that triangle, suppose we extend this side BC. So what we will get one ray. So this ray is on the side of this angle, means it is we are increasing which side BC. So if BC, if we started increasing, so it will goes on this direction, and suppose this ACB increases in this above direction, so it will go towards the P, and this AB if we extend it, so we can extend it in the downward direction. So what happen? So see here at this at this point this angle ACD, it is nothing but what it will form the exterior angle. If we are going to take this one, so this which one QBC, then this angle is an exterior angle. And if you are going to take the this side, so this side we are increasing here, so angle is forming at this point, so this angle is called as the angle BPA. So this is an exterior angle. So here, so now see here, see if we are going to take this another example. So here what happened? So see here, the triangle name is what? The triangle name is PQR. And at this point, see this angle E, this angle F, and this angle R. R is also exterior angle, R will not. See, exterior angle is formed because of the two rays of the sides, two sides of one triangle. So here this triangle, see this is the angle E, angle F, then angle A, angle B, and this side angle C and angle D. These all are what? Exterior angle. Okay, so what is the property? So now we will see the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. See how to identify the exterior angle, that I explained you in the last lecture. So now today what we are going to see? We are going to see the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. So what that property is saying? So now see here I draw that one, because in this textbook, in your textbook they give in the very shortcut method. So that's why here I explain you in the detail. So now see here, agar suppose you are going to take the example of this triangle. This triangle name is suppose PQR. So now suppose you extend this PQ side. So what happen? You will get the exterior angle at this point. And suppose here you give the name S. So it means what? SQR is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. Next, suppose you extended this side QR. So what happen? Here you will get the exterior angle. So this is also exterior angle of the triangle PQR. And if you increase this ray, so at this point you will get the exterior angle. If you increase this one, so at this point you will get the exterior angle of a triangle PQR. So here it means what? The exterior angle is nothing but what? The angle which present outside the triangle is called as the exterior angle. So now the next, here this property of the exterior angle is what saying. So according to that property, what? Suppose here it is the exterior angle. So means what? Which, suppose you are going to take this example. So PRS is an which one? It is an exterior angle. So measurement of this PRS, it is equals to what? It is equals to sum of its opposite angle. So it means what? At this exterior angle, the opposite angles are nothing but which one? Angle Q and angle P are the opposite angle. So the measures of angle of this PRS is equals to what? Sum of measures of angle P plus angle Q. मीन्स उसके अपोजिट में जो एंगल्स होते हैं देयर एडिशन, देयर सम इज इक्वल्स टू द मेजर्स ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो हियर व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, सी PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. means this PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle PQR. So what happened? They are what they are saying, see, angle PR is a interior adjacent angle to PRQ. अगर suppose this is exterior angle, so near to this angle, which angle one? This one is there. So this is inside the triangle. So they are saying angle CPRQ means this angle is an what? Interior adjacent angles of this S. Here S is there. It is interior adjacent angle of PRS. Got it everyone? Means why? Because see this, if you are going to take this straight line, so here this angle and this angle, these two angles are nothing but they are forming the linear pair angle. So and these all three angles are inside the triangle, so they are called as the interior angle. But ये जो angle है, that angle is exactly near to that exterior angle, so it is called as the interior adjacent angle. Why? Because they have the common ray. This is the PR ray. PR ray is the common in between the angle PRS and PRQ, so that's why these two are there. These two angles are nothing but they are adjacent angle also. So now next see what they are saying. But angle P and angle Q are far away from PRS, so therefore they are called as the remote interior angles of a PRS. So what they are saying, if suppose this is this angle PRQ is the adjacent angle, but from this exterior angle, if you observe this angle Q and this angle P, so it is what they are little bit far away as compared to this angle R. These two are the far away from PRS, that is external angle. So that's why this angle is called as what? Remote interior angle. Remote interior means what? Little bit door but inside the triangle. So these angles are called as the remote interior angles of a triangle PQ of the angle PRS. So now there, according to this property, see how what will be the property is coming. So angle P, if we know that, so sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is what? It is equals to 180. Means what? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to what? 180 degree, because it is the property sum of measures of all angles of a triangles is equals to what? 180. So it means what? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle, which one? Ye wala interior angle, it is what? PRQ. So PRQ is equals to what? 180. So that equation we say equation number 1. But now see, if you observe, so see this is the straight line QS. On this straight line, this angle PRS and PRQ, they are formed on the same ray, that is PR. So if we are going to think about only this line, so these two angles are nothing but what? These two angles are nothing but what? They are linear pair angles, and we know that property because we see that the linear pair angles are what? Supplementary, and supplementary means what? Their addition is equals to what? 180. It means what? Angle PRS plus angle PRQ is equals to 180. So therefore measures of angle PRS plus measures of angle PRQ is equals to what? 180. This we say equation number 2. So after that what we did, see from first and 2, so from equation 1 and 2, the equation 1 is what? Angle P plus angle M plus angle M PRQ is equals to what? 180. So measures of angle P plus Q plus measures of angle PRQ is equals to 180. But this 180 is equals to what we say in the equation number 2? 180 is nothing but is equals to what? The measures of angle PRS plus measures of angle PRQ. तो इसलिए next step में what we do? तो instead of this 180, what we wrote? We write down the measures of angle PRS plus measures of angle PQR, because these are equals to 180. तो इसलिए ये जो 180 है that we replace with this one. तो इसलिए यहाँ पे after see this measures of angle P plus Q plus PRQ as it is equals to, and now instead of this 180 we write down this one, measures of angle PRS plus measures of angle PRQ. Why? From equation first and the second. So now next button, see what happened here. When we write down here this one, if you observe, so this PRQ angle plus this PRQ angle, it is same. So what happened when this PRQ is shifted on this side? So it is plus, so it become minus. So in the next step what we do? See angle P as it is, angle Q is also as it is. So measures of angle PRQ. So now this plus है वो हमने यहाँ पे we shifted on the left hand side, so it become minus M measures of angle PRQ. So is equals to, and this PRS remaining as it is. So now see here, plus PRQ and minus PRQ get cancel. So here P cancel. So what is remaining? Measures of angle P plus measures of angle Q is equals to measures of angle PRS. So it means what? The measures of PRS is equals to what? Measures of angle Q plus P. So if you observe the figure, so it means what? The measures of this angle means PRS it is equals to what? Measures of P plus measures of P angle plus measures of Q angle. Clear everyone? So it means what? The measures of this exterior angle is always equals to sum of its remote interior angle. Clear? So now we will see the example based on this property. Yeah, you can take the more examples also. Now just see here. Suppose I am going to take the another triangle figure. See here it is what? A, B, C, and here this is D. So what happened? This angle is nothing but what? Exterior angle. So measures of angle ACD is equals to what? It's remote. So इसके exactly opposite which angle there? This angle and this angle. So it angle is what? A and angle B. So it is equals to what? Measures of angle A plus measures of angle B. Clear everyone? Means अगर suppose ये we have to find out suppose measures of this angle, and this angle is 30 degree and this angle is suppose the 50 degree. So 30 plus 50 is equals to what? 80. So it means the measures of this angle is equals to 80 degree. So here like this examples we have to find out. Means what? We have to either find out the measures of this exterior angle, yeah, from exterior angle measurement is given, then from that we have to find out the measures of its remote interior angle. Okay. So now this example we will see in the next video. Thank you.